Imagine finding your way through complex spaces effortlessly, all from your phone. A user opens the indoor navigation app and selects their destination, the Mr. DIY store. The app begins calculating the optimal route. Once done, navigation starts.
Turn left and go ahead for 10 meters, and then turn right and go ahead for 5 meters. Go ahead for 10 meters, and then turn left and go ahead for 5 meters. Turn left and go ahead for 5 meters, and then turn right and go ahead for 5 meters. Go ahead for 40 meters, and then turn left and go ahead for 5 meters. Turn left
And just
go
like
ahead
that,
for 50
the user
meters,
arrives at the
and then
destination,
to the
Mr.
right.
DIY shop, guided seamlessly indoors. But it doesn't stop there. Enhance the navigation experience with an immersive virtual tour feature. Using 360 degrees panoramic images, users can preview their entire route before stepping out, giving them full confidence in where they're headed.
Turn right and go ahead for 10 meters, and then turn left and go ahead for 5 meters.
For operators, a powerful dashboard gives real-time insights. Heatmaps reveal user flow. Geofencing tracks engagement zones. All reports can be exported in CSV or integrated with your business intelligence tools for deeper analysis. Reimagine indoor experiences. Get in touch to bring seamless navigation and spatial intelligence to your venue today.